Now, let's move into the 3 to 4 million range. This is where things really start to get interesting. This price point is popular with experienced end users and smart investors, especially those looking for bigger layouts, better location within the cluster, or even that fourth bedroom. Let's start with Bliss, specifically Bliss 1. It's a beautifully designed cluster, and you can find a 3-bedroom townhouses here in the range of, let's say, 3.3 to 3.4 million dirhams. But here's the thing, if the unit is a corner unit, has a bigger layout, bigger garden, bigger plot, or is right next to the pool and park, the price can go up to around 3.7 million dirhams. And honestly, it's usually worth it. These townhouses are brand new, have bright interiors, modern white facade, and they feel premium. Plus, they rent out really well. So, after Bliss, we have got Ruba. It's one of the earlier clusters that already handed over. You'll find a 3-bedroom options here for around 3.3 to 3.6 million dirhams. It's a quieter, more established cluster with slightly larger built-up and plot sizes compared to other ready clusters, which is exactly why Ruba tends to see more demand and slightly higher prices compared to other ready townhouses clusters. Now, if you're looking for a 4-bedroom, maybe your family is growing, you need a guest room, or just want that extra space for a home office, there are a few ready options as well. You will occasionally find a 4-bedroom units in Sun, Joy, or Spring cluster. These were handed over in the earlier phases, so if one pops up in a good location, it's usually a great find. Now let's talk about off-plan resale options, because this is where you start seeing more choices in 4-beds. You have got options in Raya cluster, Anya 1, Anya 2, Bliss 2, and May cluster. Prices here range from, let's say, 3.6 to 4 million dirhams. All of these offer modern exteriors, well-planned layouts, and they are built with families in mind. And since the payment plans are construction linked, you are not paying everything upfront, which gives buyers more flexibility. So, for buyers, this is a great bracket if you want more space, slightly upgrade finishes, or better positioning inside the community. And if you're buying with a mortgage, then there are options too. And for the sellers, especially if you own a single row, corner, or park racing unit in Bliss or Ruba cluster, demand is strong. Prices have been inching up thanks to limited supply and the fact that more handovers are happening now. So, to sum it up, from 3 million to 4 million gives you access to larger townhouses, premium locations within the clusters, and future-ready clusters with a strong resale potential. So whether you are buying to live in or buying to invest, this is the sweetest spot in Arabian Arches 3. Alright, now we are stepping into the 4 to 5 million range. This is where we start seeing upgraded layouts, more spacious living areas. Let's start with Spring Cluster, a cluster that's fully ready, well lived in, and beautifully landscaped by now. You can still find a 4-bedroom townhouses here between, let's say, 4 to 4.4 million dirhams. That's usually get you a good size plot, a smart and practical layout, and you are just a short walk from the parks and the play areas. And Spring is one of those clusters where demand has stayed steady, especially for families who either want to upgrade within the community or are buying their first 4-bedroom townhouse. After Spring, we have got Ruba, and this is one bit more complex. The last 4-bedroom transaction here in Ruba happened back in April, so around 3 months ago. What's going on is that most owners are asking closer to 5 million dirhams, but at that price point, buyers become very selective. Unless if the unit is a single row, corner unit with a large plot or something that's been significantly upgraded, then it makes sense. Now on to Bliss 1. And here's where it gets interesting again. We have got 4-bedroom townhouses here ranging from 4.7 million to 5 million dirhams. But you might be thinking, what justifies the higher price tag? Here you have got larger built-up areas, newer construction, and a modern design, upgraded internal specification, and a strong demand both from tenants and end users looking for something fresh and ready to move in. So for investors, this bracket is attractive. Bliss has that clean, whitewashed aesthetic that stands out and stays in high demand. rental yields are healthy, and the community is still seeing appreciation. So for buyers, this is a great range if you're ready to stretch a bit for better space, smarter layouts, and a more premium community feel. You're still in the townhouse category, but you're getting a noticeable upgrade. And for the sellers, especially in Bliss or Ruba, pricing is key. If you have got a single row with larger plots or packing park units or larger layout, yes, you can ask for more. But make sure your price is backed by recent transaction, not just expectations. So that's the 4 to 5 million range, and it's not just about more space, it's about better space. This is where lifestyle upgrades and a strong investment potential really start to come together in Arabian Nights 3.